What's up guys, my name is Joe and in today's video I want to show you how you can add your Revolut card to your Apple Wallet, and you can use Apple Pay with Revolut now. It's amazing. They just launched it today in a number of countries, so be sure to check out if in your country it's available. Now, if you don't know what Revolut is, it's an amazing application. Basically, you can open an account and you can open an account for free and upload money and use your card almost anywhere in the world. Now, if you want to exchange currencies, then you just click over here, exchange. Let's say I want to exchange my Hungarian forints to euros, and it gives me great rates, one of the best rates available. Now, and in terms of a wallet application, it's really good because you have analytics, payments, cards, and you can have virtual cards. You can have this amazing metal card, which is premium. Now, in the premium features, you have lounges, which gives you access to airport lounges, which is amazing. And the first one is for free, so be sure to check that out. You get metal cashback, 1% cashback on every card payment. You get free concierge, that's support for you wherever you are. Then you have free ATM withdrawals. Then you have free medical insurance up to 15 million English pounds. Then you have disposable virtual cards, which are amazing. You get priority support, discounted device insurance, so you can insure your iPhone, whatever kind of device you have, and airport lounges where one pass is free, so you can go around the world and get and it's a really good value if you purchase entry fees from this application into airport lounges. Now, the main thing about this video is that you can add your Revolut card to your Apple Wallet. As you can see, I already have 2 of my Revolut cards added, and be sure to download the application from below. That means that you will be getting your card for free, and also the first 100 people who register via my link will be eligible to win a metal card, a premium metal card, which is amazing, which costs about 16 euros per month, but you guys will get this card for free. Now, all you need to do is basically have your card ready. Now, on this card, I have the numbers on the back, so I'm not going to show you that. All you do is go into your wallet application. Yep, add your card. Now, I need to add another card. I actually added this card previously. I just deleted it, so my card number is already in there. So I'm just going to type in my security code. Then you have to agree to the terms and conditions. And then you get a card verification, which means I will be getting a text message right now. There you go. And my card is verified. I am able to use Revolut on Apple Pay. Fantastic. I've been waiting so long for this. This is an amazing application. If you want to know more about this application, stay tuned because I will have an in-depth review of Revolut on how it works, what are the benefits. But in the meantime, be sure to download the application. Try it out for yourself. It's totally free. No monthly fee, no yearly fee, no card fee, no nothing. So you have nothing to lose. Anyway, guys, thank you very much for watching. Enjoy Revolut on Apple Pay, and see you guys in the next one. Stay safe and hang loose.